Cross-selling and upselling are strategies that every Amazon seller must use to maximize sales on Amazon. I'll go over how it will do the following. 1. Increase average order value, basically bigger checkout carts with your products in them. 2. Keep interest within your brand. 3. Efficient use of PPC spend. 4. Increase brand loyalty and repeat purchases of your brand. And lastly, I'm going to cover how to set these campaigns up. It's very simple. My name is Zane and I'm from SellerMetrics, an Amazon agency dedicated to teaching and improving PPC strategies to Amazon sellers to maximize their revenue and profit. So how does it increase order value? Well, let's say you're selling a moisturizer. People tend to buy complementary products alongside items like these, such as cleansers or toners alongside that moisturizer. So I'll give you an example. Here is a random brand called The Bubble Store, and they sell a moisturizer with all these fancy features. If we scroll down to products related to this item, you'll see that they actually sponsor their own products and their other products on this listing. So as you can see here, they have an option that they can also sell this balancing face moisturizer or this dream tone and texture face serum. And people are likely to buy this in conjunction with the moisturizer that this listing is for. In fact, Amazon even straight up says right here that people buy these two items together. And what once would have been just a $15 sale now becomes a $30 sale. So it's an excellent way to basically double your customer's cart size for your brand. By the way, guys, if you like this kind of content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel down below. So overall, it's a very good strategy for brands with pairings of products. Now, it also keeps interest within your brand. Sometimes you may not have a product catalog of pairing items, but perhaps you have a budget or luxury version of your product. Let's take, for example, Ridge Wallet. So here's Ridge Wallet. This is a very popular wallet, and this particular listing is going for $95. Now let's scroll down to products related to this item. Once again, these are sponsored products that Ridge Wallet is suggesting other products for on their own listing. So this listing that we were just at was at $95, but they're offering a $125 version. This one seemingly having more features, and they also have a budget version for $69. So what this is really useful for is that it captures all of your customers' needs. Maybe someone is looking for a wallet that's very similar to the Ridge wallet. They don't want to drop $95. So instead, they buy the $69 one instead. Or maybe someone is looking for a premium version. They really value this kind of product. And so they see, oh, look, Ridge Wallet actually has a higher feature, more premium version of their product. And they end up spending more money. If they end up spending less money on your product, that's fine. I mean, ideally, you obviously want them to spend the listing that they clicked. But it's better than them going to a different brand that has a cheaper version available. So this is why upselling is incredibly useful. And lastly, it is a very efficient use of PPC spend and increases brand loyalty and repeat purchases. If a potential customer is already on your listing, it suggests a higher intent to buy. And thus, by targeting your own listing with a pairable product or a budget/luxury version, you are ensuring you are giving your customer a great experience with a plethora of options based on their needs. And if your product is good, emphasis on that, they will be more likely to repurchase products from you in the future. So now let's go over how you can set these campaigns up. It's super easy, guys. Once you're in Amazon Seller Central, you can click the menu at the top left, go to advertising, go to your campaign manager. In your campaign manager, you could click create campaign, and we want to click sponsored products. Okay, once we are in the ad groups, we just pick the product that we want. And then we scroll down, we do manual targeting, product targeting, and we type in individual products. And then in here, we just go to enter list and type in the ASIN that we would like for our product to target. You can also go to just suggested. It shows you the product that you would like to target. And so this is my own product. If I click that, there it is. And then basically you go down, pick the preferred bidding strategy, adjust your bids as you see fit, and then name your campaign something referenceable, and feel free to run this for a length of time that you see it succeeding. The second you stop seeing it succeeding, you cancel this campaign, type in your daily budget, and then you launch your campaign. And that's it, guys. That's all it is. If you want more content like this, like and subscribe. And if you want a full list of PPC campaigns that you can run, feel free to check out our book. If you want to learn more on how you can optimize Amazon PPC, you can get a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Amazon Ads, Advanced Tactics and Best Practices. This book has received a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Amazon and has helped beginners and advanced sellers alike. Click the link in the description below to sign up to our emailing list and receive a free copy. And lastly, if you want to know how we can get you to the next level on your advertising campaigns, click the link in the description below to book a discovery call and see how we can help you. And until next video, guys, have a good one.